Are you ready to uncover the most dangerous science experiments ever performed? Hold on to your seats. Coming in at number 10, we've got the what happens when you give students too much power? Absolute chaos. Number 9 is the editing genes sounds cool, right? Until you accidentally create a genetic monster. At 8, the drilling into the Earth's crust. Let's hope nothing crawls out. Number 7 is the deceiving hundreds of men for science. That's just evil. Coming in 6th, biological warfare and vivisections, just horrific. Number 5 in the Soviet Union. Turning diseases into weapons, not a great idea. At 4, pure cruelty in the name of science. Number 3, mind control experiments. Sounds like a horror film. Number 2, creating nuclear weapons. Boom. And finally, number 1, by CERN. Transporting antimatter across Europe. One wrong move and annihilation. So there you have it, folks. The top 10 most dangerous science experiments ever. Stay curious, but stay safe.